Guys, I have something very special to show you. I know summer is coming, and then I wanted to show you guys how to make this bug relief oil. And I'm gonna be throwing up the recipe in front for you, and I'm using all 5 oils today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus my carrier oil. And I have my bottle ready, and I have my 2 syringes here, and you need a funnel as well. I always have 2 syringes, one small and one big, just in case of these small bottles here. Sometimes I use them before, sometimes my first time using them. So um, let me see if I'm gonna be having a surprise today. So as you can see, I'm using fractionated coconut oil today, and you can go ahead, guys, and you can use a boba oil, you can use the coconut oil itself, you can use almond oil. I mean, you can use any carrier oil that you wanted to use. Um, One of the oil that I love to use in this bug relief here is primrose oil. Um, this recipe is called for 7 drops of each. Um, so if you need any more information on how to make this oil, guys, and it's just simple. I'm going to be putting up the roller bottle, because this is intended for a roller bottle. So if you should have a mosquito bite, spider bite, whatever it is, you just rub it over. But this is mine today, guys. I need to carry this around with me because it's just easy for me to carry it around, and then if I need 1 drop or 2 drop, I could just put it in my middle and then apply to that area. Sometimes you never know where they're gonna bite you, right? So I need to just have this bottle, put it in my hand where I can use the other finger and tap it on. Um, so because I have so many roller bottle in my bag, um, I just wanted this bottle for myself. But also, you can also use this recipe, put it into a spray bottle, and top it off with water, distilled water. Also, you don't have to put the fractionated oil, this one, in your bottle. So I'm going to be throwing up some information on the screen for you also, guys, so you can follow. So 3 way you can do this. You can use a roller bottle, you can use this bottle, and you can also top it off with water, distilled water. If you don't have distilled water, what you can do overnight is just get some water, put it on the countertop, and let it sit overnight, and then you'll have it to use, guys. So here we are, top it off and give it a good shake. For me, I like to just put it down for a week or so, and just for your oils to get to know each other. And yeah, and it's ready to go. And just remember to give it a good shake. And this oil will last you all summer long. That's what it is. It will last you all summer long, guys. So these are the oils that I'm using today. I hope you can try this oil. You know what's going on your skin. Um, so hopefully you enjoy this video, and also I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.